guys, what is up? It's Amber. Hi, how is everybody doing today? Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the BAM horror box for you guys. I'm super excited for this. I'm gonna go and jump right on into it. And Freddy's with me today. I put him on. So let's jump on into this box. This always has the little BAM paper in the front of it just to hide all the goodies inside. First thing that I got in the box is these little scratch its to win things. I don't think I got this last month. This month I lost on that one. Oh, okay, let's see if I win on this one. I think I won! I got 3 of the same. Holy crap. Oh, so happy. I'm a winner. For once in my life, I actually won something. Is this Isaac Children of the Corn pin. This pin is so sick. I am a huge fan of the Children of the Corns. I used to watch them all the time when I was a kid, and I still watch them. I watch them every Halloween or just at like random times. I have like the biggest crush on him when I was a kid. I just thought his character was so cute. Next is this little collectible card. This one's kind of cool because it's like holographic. Can you guys like see it like change color? That's pretty cool. Never had one like this yet. Next thing is a prop replica. This is just so random. Now this is from the movie House of a Thousand Corpses. It's actually a cereal that was showed in the movie. Agatha crisps. So this is just what the box looks like. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this, to be completely honest. But it is really cool. I might just put like my cereal in it, like keep it in the bag obviously, but just use this as like my little cereal box. The last 2 things is a fan art print and a celebrity autograph. It is from The Conjuring. Now I thought this was such a sick print. I'm so stoked to hang this up. There's Annabelle. Ooh, there's the nun. Can't really see it because the light keeps reflecting on it. I don't like when it does that. Trying to like move it where you guys can kind of see it without the light on it. So that's just what it looks like. It's so cool. The celebrity autograph. Now this is just what the celebrity autograph looks like. It's a pretty cool autograph from this actor. Where this is from, it's actually from the movie Dawn of the Dead. It's actually from the 1970s one. I did not like the 1970s Dawn of the Dead. I thought it was just so cheesy. The zombies just look like people with makeup on. It's just not my type of movie. I mean, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.